Hi everyone, this is Robert with AnnuityCampus.com, the annuity experts. Today's video discussion is going to be about some of the benefits to index universal life insurance, okay? Permanent insurance, which means you own it. It's not like renting a house, which is like what term is. Now term is cheaper, but what I want to do is shoot a video about some of the benefits. I've done 300 plus videos on annuities, life insurance, tax-free retirement planning. My website's almost 300 pages as well. I've done 360 articles on these subjects as well. So what I'm going to share with you today is a couple things that I was discussing with a friend of mine that is debating purchasing one of these policies. The real benefit to these features is this. What if I told you there's a government program that allows you to defer paying taxes on money you're earning? In addition, when you take it out, you won't have to pay taxes. Now, most of you would say, well, sign me up, but you're not doing it. And a lot of times the reason why you're not doing it is because you don't know that these programs exist. So the loophole is within life insurance, okay? So life insurance, when you have cash value, it will grow. Whatever it grows at, it can be tied to the S&P 500. There's no downside risk, so you don't have any downsides. You're not paying taxes on the earnings every year. In addition to that, when you take it out, there's no taxes. And the reason why is because they have a policy loan fee. Now that policy loan fee might be 1%, 3%, or 4%, whatever it is for that particular contract. But would you rather pay that on your money, or would you rather pay at the minimum 15 to 25, 30% of your money to taxes? Well, you don't have to worry about that. In addition, they have a death benefit. So the real play here is the tax advantage, the way it's taxed, which is not taxed. And it's through life insurance. And a lot of people ask me, well, why would I want to do that? It's because you don't know, you don't understand how money works. You know, right now you're funding your IRA. You're funding your 401k. The market goes up and down. There's tons of fees all over the place. So regardless if you make money or not, they're taking their fees out, okay? With insurance, because it's life insurance, there is a cost of insurance. But on these programs, there's no downside. You're not going to lose your value 1 year. And the nice thing is if you want to fund these things correctly, you can use the cash flow down the road for retirement. And that doesn't mean 59 and a half, folks. I have people set up where they're going to retire at 50, 49. And start taking cash flow out. So that's what these are designed for. And which brings me to another point. You know, I'm very passionate about this. People say, well, you know, the cost of insurance, this, I don't, you know, the money. The problem is this: you have to fund them correctly. If you think you're going to fund these with $200-300 a month and you're going to end up in 20 years with $1 million, just click out the video, okay? And if you say, well, I don't really have the money, well, if you're funding your IRA, stop funding your IRA. Put it into this. It's safe. Okay? The fees are less. Plus there's a death benefit and the cash value and all the tax-free stuff. Same with the 401k. The only reason why you're in a 401k is because your employer supposedly gives you a match. Well, the match is deductible to the business, number one. Number two, you're going to have fees. You're going to lose value along the way. And when you want to redirect those same savings funds into something that's safe, has a death benefit, has the tax-free advantages, in addition, retirement income for life, and that's what these programs are for. And you need to talk to a broker, not someone that works for an insurance company. If their business card has the name of an insurance company, that's a clear inclination that they're a captive agent, which means they represent one company. All they can sell is one company's products. If you work with a broker, guys like us, we represent 60, 70, 100 different companies, okay? So we're able to shop around for you. So I don't have a manager telling me, hey, you got to make your numbers, you got to make sales. And what that does is it makes me want to go out, sell a policy like this and underfund it just so I can make my numbers. Well, I don't have that problem because I don't work for a company. So you might not even want to use a friend or family member. You need to have a broker that can set this up for you properly. And obviously we're in the business of asking for the business. We'd like the opportunity to work with you and see if we can find something that'll fit your needs and won't hurt you. And it'll get to where you want to go with your money. And anyway, make sure you visit AnnuityCampus.com, scroll down, get signed up for the annuity and retirement newsletter that I email out every single month. And again, thank you very much for your time today, folks. Bye-bye now.